4 divided by 4, which equals to 1. And here is also 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay, then 1 divided by 1 is equals to 1. But this answer is not correct, because if there is more than one operation in an expression, we need to do from left to right. Okay, here there are 4 divisions. Here is one division, another division, here is another division. Therefore, we need to do this division first, next this division, and next this division. Okay, from left to right. If we do this division before this or this division, it is wrong. Therefore, from left to right, we need to do this division first. Okay, 4 divided by 4, which equals 1. Then divide by 2, divide by 2. Then 1 divided by 2 means, which is 1 over 2. Okay, 1 over 2 divided by this 2. Therefore, here we need to follow the KCF rule. Okay, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Therefore, we need to keep the first number here, 1 over 2. Then we keep it and change this division into multiplication. Then flip the next number, which 1 over 2. Okay, then 1 over 2 times 1 over 2, which equals to 1 times 1, which equals to 1, and 2 times 2, which equals to 4. Therefore, the correct answer of this problem is equals to 1 over 4.